All right, we're back at KTAuthentics. We're going to do another 4 boxes of 2011 Prime 6-4 djkb, 1 for 8 and 10. So we'll start with box 10. Good luck, man. Just pulled a Tyrod Taylor, which I don't think was a case hit back in 2011. Alright, we got Aurelius Ben, 247 of 499. Aurelius Ben. We got Matthew Stafford, 42 of 499. And then out of 49, Percy Harvin. 30 of 49, Percy Harvin. 22 of 25, Chris Cooley. Tight end for the Washington Redskins. Nice. 22 of 25. Chris. Sorry about that. Chris Cooley. That is the gold version. Gold foil. Chris Cooley. And box 8. Chris Cooley, 144, 499 to go with your autograph. We got Rick Caceres, 83 of 499, running back for the Bears. 140 of 499, Ben Roethlisberger. And then we got a redemption right behind it. Last time we got 3 out of 499, we got a very nice Drew Brees auto. Rookie Signatures Platinum. What is Platinum out of? Card 216. Card 216. Platinum auto of Jaquan Williams is 216. Jaquan Williams. Don't know what Platinum is, though. Is that the 101? Yeah. Jaquanian Williams. Card 216. Rookie Signature Platinum. At box 4. We got Todd Christensen, 466 of 499. 444 of 499, Brandon Lloyd, wide receiver for the wide receiver for the Rams. Then we got Chad Greenway, 296 of 499. And out of 199, 146 of 199. On card, Christian Ponder. We did it. Christian Ponder, 146 of 199, which was actually a great hit back then, right? Christian Ponder, 146 of 190. All right, box 1. Julio didn't sign any of the stuff. All right, we got Jerome Bettis, 172 of 499. 43 of 499, Ray Rice, coming at you. 54 of 99, Jason Witten, red prime proof. And 61 of 75, Mark Carrier, safety for the Bears. 61 of 75, copper for bronze, Mark Carrier. Sorry, Jerry. No cam yet. Thanks again, man. Appreciate it.